everyone. My name is Dr. Pooja. I am a BMS doctor and currently working in Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today we are going to talk about holistic management of hydrocele. So let us discuss what is hydrocele. Hydrocele is a common condition of men in which there is accumulation of fluid in the tunica vaginalis, the sac which surrounds the testicles. It may occur at any age, but old men are usually more prone to the condition. The testicles are the major sex glands in the male. Each gland is composed of myriads of coiled tubes in which the sperm cells are produced. It is the function of these cells to fertilize the ovum during sexual intercourse. Symptoms. The main symptoms of hydrocele is painless, smooth and elastic enlargement of the scrotum. In some cases, swelling is so much as to cause a great deal of inconvenience, interfering greatly with walking. Consequently, it may produce a great deal of pressure upon the testicles and the spermatic vessels, causing a detrimental effect upon the generative system. The hydrocele is translucent. If a bright light is placed upon it in the dark, the whole swelling lights up if the swelling becomes painful. It usually denotes that it has become infected. Causes. The apparent causes of hydrocele may be a knock or a strain, but toxic conditions of the system is usually at the root of the matter. This systemic toxicity results from wrong dietary habits, general wrong living, and suppressive medical treatment of former diseases. Sexual excess and abuse is also an important factor in some cases, though the degeneration of the sex organs which follows. Sometimes gonorrheal infection, obstruction of the abdominal veins, tuberculosis and dropsy may be the cause of this condition. Hydrocele sometimes exists at birth. In this case, swelling is seen when the infant is in upright position and disappears when the infant is laid upon its back. Hydrocele usually disappears by itself in infants. Treatment. Tapping is the method usually restored to for removal of the fluid in hydrocele. This, however, does not remove the cause of the trouble but only its effect. The correct way in which the condition can be really dealt with successfully is through constitutional treatment. Such a treatment should aim at removing the underlying toxicity of the system, which is at the root of the trouble. The sufferer from hydrocele should begin an exclusive fresh fruit diet for 7 to 10 days. In this regimen, he should have 3 meals a day of freshy juice fruits such as apples, pears, grapes, grapefruit, oranges, pineapple, peaches, melon, or any other a juicy fruit in a season, but no banana or dried, stewed or thin fruit, and no other foodstuff whatever. For drinks, lemon water unsweetened or water either hot or cold may be taken. During the period of the bowels should be cleaned daily, such with a warm water enema. If constipation is habitual, all steps should be taken for its eradication. After all fruit diet and other the patient may adopt the following regimen. Breakfast: fresh fruit as obtainable, or grated raw carrot or other raw salad stuffs, uh, prunes or other dried fruits if desired, and a cup of milk. Lunch: steamed vegetable as obtainable with either a poached or scrambled egg or a vegetarian savory. Stewed fruit or a baked apple may be taken for dessert. Dinner: a good sized raw salads of any suitable vegetables are obtainable with whole wheat bread and butter, and prunes or other dried fruits at desserts. Further, short periods on the all fruit diet should be undertaken at monthly intervals as required for 2 or 3 consecutive days. Each time, the diet factor of the utmost importance, and the fruit salads must form the main basis of the future dietary. Alcohol, strong teas, coffee, condiment, pickles, and sauces should be avoided. Smoking where habitual should be given up. Thank you.